States of consciousness can be deliberately altered through various techniques and substances, leading to significant changes in perception, mood, cognition, and self-awareness. Three primary methods for inducing these altered states are hypnosis, meditation, and psychoactive drugs. Hypnosis involves inducing a trance-like state characterized by extreme relaxation, heightened focus, and increased suggestibility. While the exact nature of hypnosis is debated, two main theories prevail. The state theory posits it is a unique dissociative state where conscious awareness separates from other mental processes. The sociocognitive theory, also called the non-state theory, views it as a normal state of focused attention and role-playing, driven by expectations and social interaction. Hypnosis demonstrates effectiveness in clinical settings for pain management, both acute and chronic, reducing anxiety, aiding smoking cessation, and alleviating symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Key factors influencing hypnotic susceptibility include the individual's openness to suggestion and the skill of the hypnotist. Meditation encompasses practices designed to train attention and awareness to achieve mental clarity, emotional calm, and stability. Common techniques include focused attention meditation, which involves concentrating on a single point like breath or a mantra, and open monitoring meditation, which involves mindfully observing thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. For example, mindfulness meditation. Regular meditation practice leads to measurable physiological changes, including reduced heart rate, lowered blood pressure, and decreased cortisol levels. Psychologically, it is associated with reduced stress, anxiety, and depression symptoms, improved emotional regulation, sustained attention, and increased self-awareness. Neuroimaging studies show increased activity in prefrontal brain regions, which are linked to attention control, and decreased activity in the amygdala, which is associated with stress responses. Psychoactive drugs chemically alter brain function, impacting mood, perception, and behavior by interacting with neurotransmitter systems. They are categorized by their primary effects. Depressants, for example, alcohol, barbiturates, and benzodiazepines, reduce neural activity and slow body functions, induce relaxation, sedation, and reduced anxiety, impair judgment and memory, and high doses can cause coma or death. Stimulants, for example, caffeine, nicotine, cocaine, amphetamines, and MDMA, increase neural activity and accelerate body functions, lead to heightened alertness, energy, and euphoria, with side effects including anxiety, paranoia, and cardiovascular strain. Hallucinogens, for example, LSD, psilocybin mushrooms, and high doses of cannabis, distort perceptions and evoke sensory experiences without external input, which are hallucinations. Effects vary widely, including euphoria, altered time perception, spiritual experiences, or intense anxiety, often called bad trips. Opioids, for example, heroin, morphine, and oxycodone, are derived from opium poppies or synthetic analogs. They powerfully relieve pain and induce euphoria by activating the brain's reward pathways, but carry extremely high risk of tolerance, physical dependence, and life-threatening addiction. Repeated psychoactive drug use can lead to tolerance, which means needing more for the same effect, dependence, with physiological withdrawal symptoms upon cessation, and addiction, which is compulsive use despite harmful consequences, significantly impacting brain structure and function. This video is part of our free Altered States course, exploring hypnosis, meditation, and psychoactive drugs, perfect for psychology students or anyone curious about the mind. We're excited to share this with over 100 subtopics inside. Find the link in the description.